July 8, 2026. So, yan. First stop namin is Yayasan. Yan. Harap dyan is Water Village. So, after nyan, biyahe na kami. Dito pa rin kami sa Bandar. So, makikita dyan yung masjid. Yung tourist destination dyan. After nyan, punta kami ng Mabuhay. So, same thing. Check ng security alarm. Tsaka ng CCTV. Usually, pag maintenance, check namin yung mga recording. Tsaka ng security alarm. So, next stop is Ministry of Finance. So, yung isang site namin. So, same thing din. Yan yung ATM machine. So, after that one, nagpahinga kami saglit. Biyahe kami papuntang Timburong. So, yan ang Timburong. Medyo malayo. Tawid kami ng dagat. So, yan, may nadaanan pa kaming aksidente. So, tapos na kami mag-check dyan. So, lakad-lakad konti, tingin ng magagandang tarawin. So, it's the end of the day again.